Are you tired of struggling with heavy, cumbersome vacuum cleaners that make cleaning a chore? Say hello to the Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate solution for effortless and efficient cleaning. Designed with your convenience in mind, this lightweight and powerful vacuum cleaner is your go-to appliance for whole home cleaning. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have addition to any home. Powerful cleaning performance. The Eureka PowerSpeed Upright Vacuum is equipped with a dynamic motor and brush roll that can tackle even the most stubborn debris with ease. With its 12 6-inch nozzle, this vacuum cleans more area in less time, leaving your floors spotless and pristine. Lightweight and maneuverable design. Weighing just 10 pounds, the Eureka PowerSpeed is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for whole home cleaning. Say goodbye to heavy lifting and back strain with this vacuum. You can effortlessly clean every corner of your home without breaking a sweat. Versatile cleaning options. Thanks to its 5 height adjustments, the Eureka PowerSpeed works seamlessly on a variety of surfaces, including carpets, rugs, hardwood floors, and more. Smooth wheels ensure that your hardwood floors remain scratch-free, while the vacuum's powerful suction ensures a deep and thorough clean every time. Extra large capacity for extended cleaning sessions. With its 26L extra large dust cup capacity, the Eureka PowerSpeed allows you to clean more and empty less. Say goodbye to frequent trips to the trash bin with this vacuum. You can enjoy extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Convenient accessories for enhanced cleaning. The Eureka PowerSpeed comes with multiple accessories to help you tackle hard-to-reach areas with ease. A quick release handle connected to the stretch hose allows for above-floor cleaning, while a 7-inch long crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool help you clean curtains, ceilings, and furniture effortlessly. Plus, all accessories are conveniently stored on board for easy access. Order now and simplify your cleaning routine. Ready to experience effortless cleaning like never before? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have addition to any home. With its powerful suction, lightweight design, and convenient features, it's the ultimate cleaning companion for busy households. Don't wait, order yours today and enjoy a cleaner, healthier home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.